Hello, long time I have not updated any news. Today we'll be logging into Katerina Hotel room 1208. It's Batu Pahat most luxurious hotel. Here you can see the price in booking.com. Right, shall we go immediately to see the room? Now this is the lift. We are staying at level 12 today. Upon the lift opening, you'll see a grand area. I think it's for a place for you to hang out. Okay, going towards the room. Okay, today we'll be staying in the room 1208. Now bear in mind, Digi signal is not very good at this particular room, and the Wi-Fi of this room is not very good either. This room is a family room, one single bed, one king size bed, I would think. Alright, this is probably a bit older design. However, it's one of the most luxurious hotel available in Batu Pahat. It's rated as 4 stars. Pretty decent room. Okay, and it's in the city center where you can have all nearby facilities between the short driving distance. Okay, we have a fridge. Okay, and this is the bathroom. Pretty huge bathroom. However, it's a bit dated. Okay, a shower, and this is the basic amenities. The soap is very basic. So if you have sensitive skin like me, you may want to bring your own toiletries over. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope you like it.